Good morning. Hey, we're off and rolling with our online school experience, and like we said, this is going to be an adventure, but hey, an adventure we're in together. This morning, both Jayanna and I are in the office, and we've received a handful of phone calls on, I know you're saying to go to the teacher's webpage, but I'm not exactly sure how to get there. Help me get there. So I want to make a quick video here about how you can get there. There's two basic ways, either one works. But regardless, you start at the school district web page, and that is, as you look right here, weldre9.k12.co.us. Again, weldre9.k12.co.us. Okay, the first way is once you get to the school district web page, go right here to the staff drop-down menu and down to staff directory. You select the staff directory, and it's loading here, and it should take you to every staff member in the school district. The easiest way, select middle school from the locations tab and search for middle school teachers, and that gets you to a list of all the middle school teachers. For example, let's look at a couple. If you had Miss Kelly for math, you then click on view her website, and she has a nice little description here of what online learning is going to be taking place in her class of This Week in Math. She put together an introduction video, but then you go over here to the This Week in Math tab, and she has her lesson laid out right here, and that's how you get there. The second way, and either way works fine, is if you go to the school district web page and you select Highland Middle School. It'll take you to the middle school homepage. From the middle school homepage, there's some different stuff. My introduction video from a few days ago. But if you scroll down a ways, you'll see a list of Highland Middle School staff. Again, same type of thing. Click on the staff member's name that you want to select. So let's say it's Miss McLeod. All I do is click on her name. And right there, please go to Online School tab located on the left-hand side of the page for information about assignments and instruction while we're closed. Okay, so I go find the Online School tab, which is right here, and bingo, here is the lesson for Monday, March 23rd. So again, start at the school district webpage, weldre9.k12.co.us, and take one of the two approaches that, for staff directory, or go to the middle school page and scroll down in order to find a list of all teachers' names. You're not going to get assignments in email. You need to go to your teacher's page for the assignment. So for example, if I'm a 7th grader and I have social studies first block, I need to go right to Mr. Stratman's homepage, and that's where my lesson for the day will be located. Again, we are in the office today. We want to help. We want to make sure everybody gets off on a good start. So feel free to give us a call or definitely shoot us an email. We want to make sure we're off and rolling in a positive direction. Thanks.